Hello, young innovators. Welcome back to AI and Robotics Club. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on completing Mission 2. Last week, you learned that every great app starts with solving a real problem. You also learned that an app is like a brain, while the robot is like a body. Today is a very exciting day. Today, we are going to build our very first AI app. And the best part is, we are not going to write any code. We are going to work like modern AI creators. First of all, let's celebrate the best mission from the last week, the mission created by Hissam. He created the app idea for his Eco Warrior that is going to be the headquarter for the Eco Warrior, from where it is going to get the messages about what to do. And you can see the screenshots. Now let's see, how do people build apps today? Many people think that programmers sit for months writing code. Sometimes they do. But today, artificial intelligence can help us build the first version of a app much faster. Our job is not to write code. Our job is to think clearly and explain our idea. You need to turn your idea into a real app using AI. That is why today's power skill is called prompt engineering. A prompt is simply a set of instructions that tells AI exactly what we want to create. The better our instructions, the better our app will be. Remember one idea. Good ideas create good prompts. Good prompts create great apps. The magic formula is, you have to think. Ask AI, improve it, build it, and share it. That's how modern creators build with AI. A good prompt answers four main things. Who is this for? Who is the user? Why? What is the purpose? What do you want from what you want to create? For example, your app. In this case, why do you want to create that app? And what are the features in that app? And how does it look like? Today we have two amazing AI helpers. The first is ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps us think, plan, improve our ideas, and write a professional prompt. And the second is Lovable. Lovable takes our prompt and starts building the app. Think of it like this: ChatGPT is our designer, Lovable is our builder, and you are the inventor. Let's go to the ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, the first mission was to create a robot that would do something special. And in the second mission, we created the idea for the app that's going to be the headquarter of that robot, from where the robot is going to get the instructions. Remember Captain Greenotron? His mission is to keep planet green and clean, right? And now he needs an app to help him, right? So this is the idea of his app. This is the image which we created for the help of app, and we have asked him to create an app name. He has given us some ideas. What is the purpose of the app? Five main features: mission assistant, report nature's problem, green hero rewards, the people or the kids who are going to work on this app, how they are going to get the rewards. And there are some games with that, how the our home screen should be looking like. All the four main features that we discussed: who is it for, how does it look like, what are the main features, all the things are answered here. That what we did last week. And today we are going to create this app. His mission was to keep the planet green and clean. Now he needs an app to help him. Instead of writing everything ourselves, let's ask ChatGPT to help us create a perfect prompt. So we need to type a prompt in which we want to explain him who will use the app, what problems it solves, what features should it have, what the design should look like, how children will use it. And it has already answered us all these questions. The next question is we need to create an prompt for the app. The more information we give, the better results we have. Captain Greenatron Headquarters, that is the name we have chosen, and it is mainly used by kids, and parents can monitor their achievements. I want to create an app in Lovable. So we are going to look at Lovable in a minute. Please write me a detailed prompt for Lovable. Okay. And I want complete working app. Okay. I'm going to simple enter this message and wait for ChatGPT to answer me, and it has given me a master prompt for Lovable. You can see the whole thing, everything in the prompt. Build a complete production ready mobile application named Captain Greenatron Headquarters, right? And it has given what a theme should look like, what color should it have, and who are the main users, child and the parents, and then create secure authentication. There should be sign up, login, and there should be password, forgot password, and it should also be Google login. You can go login with Google as well. And then what are there? In screen number 1, meet Captain Greenatron. Screen number 2, become a Earth hero. And all the screens, I'm not going to read everything, but you can see how detailed it has created the prompt for me. If I am going to write this prompt by myself, it might take me a full day to write this prompt this length. What ChatGPT has done, it has created me this prompt in seconds. Now let's go to Lovable. So search for Lovable. It is love without an E, Lovable, Lovable. And let's go to the site. Okay. First of all, I'm going to log in. I am going to log in with my Google account. It is as simple as that. It's going to take a few seconds and my account will be created. It's going to ask me a few questions. Do I want light or dark? As you like. Just choose one. You can write the name, whatever you want to write here. And then you can choose here. I am going to choose designer from here. I'm working solo, and it has created an account for me. The benefit is that whatever apps I am going to create here, it is going to be saving for me. Now, one thing is to remember, we are using a free account with Lovable, and if I am going to look at this Fuzzles Lovable, you can see I have 10 left. So I have 10 credits today. So every day I am going to get some credits that I can use. So that's why I am not going to write direct prompt here and try to experiment here, because I am going to lose my credits, and if I want more credit I will have to buy it. Otherwise I will have to wait next day to create or amend something in my app. Now let's go back. I'm just going to copy this prompt. Okay, it is copied, and I'm just going to paste it here, and I am going to click on build. It's going to take a few minutes before creating my app. Imagine this, just a few minutes ago, this app was only an idea in your mind. We described it clearly, and now AI is turning that idea into something real. This is one of the most exciting things about today's technology. You don't have to wait until you are adult to start creating. It is creating, and it's going to take a couple of minutes, and it is showing you whatever it is doing right away. If it is going to ask you a few questions, you need to answer those. Wow, look at that. Just a few minutes ago, this app existed only in your imagination. Now we already have the first version. This is called prototype. You can just hide this one and you can see the whole app here. A prototype is the first version of an idea. Professional companies like Google, Microsoft, and many startups all begin with a prototype. Today we have done the same thing. Is our app perfect? Probably not. And that's okay. You can check all the things here. Start the adventure. My buttons working? You can see, you can check these one. It is showing you what your games can do. Okay. Here we need to sign up or sign in, or I can use with my Google account. If I am a parent, I can choose I am a parent. I am a kid, I am a kid. If I am using Google, for example, okay, I am going to simply sign in, sign up. It is not working on Google right now. Okay, kids account require a parent's account. No chat will with strangers, no ads. Okay, if I'm a parent and I want to sign up, maybe I can sign up with Google. No, I cannot. Some things are not working. Let's say I'm just going to write here. Here I am. I am in my home screen now. I have signed in here and I can see the app. So if my app is here, let's see what can I do in here. I have missions. I am going to choose this mission and it is going to tell me what to do. Pick a spot, dig a small hole, plant a sapling and give it water. Take a photo of your new tree friend. So, for the safety, ask a parent to help, wear gloves, wash hands after, and you can add the picture from here. You just okay. After you are going to add the image, you need to tell what you have done. I have planted a tree and I need to submit for parents' approval. So I have created this. These are my missions, and in my home screen, I also have some games. I can play some of these games. Alright, it might not be perfect at this moment, but that's okay. Great inventors never stop improving. We ask ChatGPT questions like, how can I make my app more fun? What features should I add? How can improve the design? AI helps us improve step by step. This is how innovation works. We are going to make the amendments in the next mission. For now, it's your turn. Your mission today, open ChatGPT, ask it to help you write a professional prompt for your own app. Then open Lovable and build version 1 of your app. Don't worry if it is not perfect or some things are not working. Before next week's lesson, submit your ChatGPT conversation, your final prompt, your app link, a screenshot of your app. The best project will earn innovation points, Hall of Fame recognition, and special rewards. Remember, 3 weeks ago you started with nothing but an idea. First, you imagined a robot, then, you designed an app idea. Today, you build the first version of that app using artificial intelligence. That is exactly how many modern creators work. Keep thinking, keep creating, keep building, keep innovating because the future belongs to creators. I will see you in the mission 4 where we will improve our app and make them even better. Until then, learn, build, innovate together. See you next week. Bye bye now. Take care.